Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add categories to your big cartel store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my big cartel dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here. You're going to find all of the sections. So there is the dashboard, orders, products, discounts, and lastly, account. Go ahead and click on products. And then once you click on products, you're going to find a list that includes all of your products. You can move them by holding this little icon. You can add a new product by clicking on this plus and fill in this form with the information that concerns products. And as you can see guys right here, you're going to find three dots. So if you click on these three dots, you're going to find some more actions. And right here under view as a list, you're going to find manage categories. Go ahead and click on manage categories. And then you can add a new category. For example, I'm going to name it category example. Example. And then go ahead and click on save. So now it's saved. And if you go ahead and click on any product and you want to add it to a category, just go to a category, click on this plus, and then add it here, click done, and then click on save. Once you finish, click on back to products right here in the bottom, and then your product will be added to the category. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.